8 shot, 3 fatally in gun attack in St. Andrew. Man fatally shot by licensed firearm owner in Spanish Town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police were probing another mass shooting incident in the country. This after a gunman shot 8 persons on Bowen Road in St. Andrew on Saturday night. 2 persons have been confirmed to have died, with subsequent reports pointing to a third individual as having since succumbed to injuries. 2 of the deceased have been identified as 35-year-old Kemar Hardware, a bar operator of Kingston 13, and a 19-year-old man, so far only identified by his alias Stephen and Brown Man. Reports are that about 11:40 p.m., the now deceased persons were among a group of people standing along the roadway when armed men approached on foot, opened gunfire before fleeing the scene. The police were alerted and the 8 wounded persons were taken to hospital, where Hardware and the teenager were pronounced dead. The police are theorizing that the incident may have stemmed from an ongoing gang feud in the St. Andrew South Police Division. Investigations are ongoing into the development. The St. Catherine North Police are investigating the fatal shooting of a man who allegedly attacked another who is a licensed firearm holder. Dead is 70-year-old Winston George Garrick of Innswood in Spanish Town. Reports are that about 10 a.m. on Saturday, the complainant went to her house, which he owns in the Innswood housing scheme. Upon arrival, it was reportedly observed that the locks to the premises were tampered with and that the door was ajar. He entered the house and Garrick attacked the 66-year-old complainant and told him to leave the premises. The complainant then explained that he owned the house and asked Garrick to leave. The complainant was reportedly hit with a broom on his left hand. Garrick then reportedly advanced in a menacing way with a knife, and the complainant drew his licensed Glock pistol and fired, hitting Garrick. He subsequently summoned the police and reported the incident. Garrick was pronounced dead at the Spanish Town Hospital. The complainant's licensed firearm was seized by the police. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the incident.